everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is an automatic drip irrigation, your garden's trusted assistant. So it says large capacity, time watering, and hands free. So this is going to be the pump, and you're going to stick this down into the water, which I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. So it comes with all this piping, which you will need to cut it up depending on how you want to use it. See all this right here. This part is what's going to go into your bucket. So you do want to make sure that this cord is quite long, because this is going to be what filters into there. So you're going to do that right there. And then this one is going to connect onto the very bottom piece right here, which is covered right now. So I want to make sure that it's long. I'm like thinking of what a bucket. That's about a bucket length, and then about like that. So that should be long enough. So you just want to get some scissors and cut it. And then this is going to be where it intakes it. So we're just going to put this right here. Just like that. Then we're going to do the outtakes. So you're going to grab this, and this is going to go in the first pot, which will tell you when the soil's dry. So I'm just going to go about like that. Okay, you can see down here you have your charging port. This is going to be the outtakes. So this is what you're going to hook up this one, and then you'll be able to hook all, like this is where the water's going to drip from the bucket that you fill. So just like that. And so what you're going to do is they come with all these different little pieces like this. First of all, to grab one of these little T things, it's going to go like that. So then you're going to cut another piece of cord. So we're just going to cut this. This part is what's going to go up like this. And then you're going to connect it on to this, and this is the part that's going to go down into your soil. You're going to plant this in, and then the water is going to shoot up there. So that's the first one. Then we're just going to keep doing that. We're going to get another piece, as long as you think that it'll, like you want them set apart. It doesn't have to be that long because the pots can be close together. So we're going to go this way with it. So this is going to be one plant. Then this is going to have another T thing put on it, because this part just has to reach over and go into the plant like so. And then let's say that's the last one I want to do. So then the very last one, you'll just end with one of these. So that can water up to 1, 2, 3, 4 plants right there. So that's not bad at all. And if you want to add more, all you have to do is add another one of the triangle things, and you're good to go. And then this piece right here, I'm actually going to cut a piece through here because that's what this goes to. And that's how air is going to get in. So you just grab it from the out port where I hooked up all these, like before the first one. And then you're going to cut the line. And then this is going to allow air to come through so that it can stop all that. So that, and then of course, then that's when these ones start. So this hooks up to the machine itself, and then it's going to be these. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. So I have this part, I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm going to just set them inside of the plants. Turn on the water, and you can do it individual every hour. You can see it's sucking. can see the water's just slowly dripping out on each one. So here's this one. You can see it's just little driplets. And it's going to feed it all the way down. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.